Hello everybody, welcome to lesson number 34. Before we begin, I always like to remind you to make sure that you read the story that came before this one, which was story number 33. And it looks like this. Read that story and then come right back. Alright, so lesson 34, we're going to do something a little different starting off here. So just listen to instructions. Cat and rat have the same ending sounds at. Cat and rat rhyme with at. Let's say some more words that rhyme with at. Rhyme with at. Mat. Rhyme with at. Sat. Rhyme with at. Rat. Good job. Say fat. Fat. Does fat rhyme with mat, sat, rat? Yes. Say fan. Does fan rhyme with mat, sat, rat? No. Alright, now we're going to do something a little different again. I'm going to have you say a word. Then you tell me the first sound and the rhyme in the word. You'll get it in just a minute. Say rat. Rat. Beginning sound. Rhyme. At. Say mat. Mat. Beginning sound. Rhyme. At. Say hat. Hat. Beginning sound. Rhyme at. Say sat. Sat. Beginning sound. Rhyme at. Say cat. Cat. Beginning sound. Rhyme at. Very good. Alright, we're introducing a new letter. The new letter for this lesson is G. As in gulping goose. Can you guys say that with me? G. Gulping goose. Now let's go over some old sounds. First one. Eh. What sound is this? P. B. All. Last sound? K. Very good. Alright, now let's go ahead and sound out words and then we'll go over our sight words. Sound. Ag. Read. Rag. Sound. Ag. Read. Rags. Sound. Ig. Read. Dig. Sound. Ig. Read. Big. Sound. Pigs. Read. Pigs. Sound. Got. Read. Got. Sound. Blend. Gum. Sound. I. Blend. Fry. Sound. All. Read. Call. Sound. Ugh. Blend. Hug. Sound. Is. Blend. Kiss. Alrighty. Now we're going to do some old sight words. And the old sight words, we're just going to read them. And then the new ones we will read and spell. So, let's look at the first one. Read. Like. Read. Have. Read. Home. Read. Said. Read. Her. Read. Of. Here are new sight words for this lesson. The first one is name. Read name. Spell N-A-M-E. The next sight word is out. Read out. Spell O-U-T. Great job, guys. All right, now we're going to go ahead and read our next story. This is going to be story 34 this time. And it is about a big pig. Oops, let me click this together so it doesn't try to open. All right, you guys ready? Let's read. The Big Pig. Read. Here is a big pig. He likes to do what all pigs do. The big pig has fun in the mud. He likes to run in it. Read. The pig likes to dig in the mud. He digs and digs. Read. The big pig gets mud on his back. He likes to have mud on his back. But if mud gets in his eyes, the pig is sad. He can't see. Read. The pig goes back to his mom. He gets mud on the rug. Oh no. Read. He gets mud on the pans. His mom is mad at him. Read. The big pig mops up the mud. His mom hugs and kisses him. That's a good ending, isn't it? Alright, let's move on to our writing part. Go ahead and take your paper out and your pencil. Mrs. Coriano has her paper from last time. I cheated. Write your name on the top. And this is lesson 34, so we gotta write a 3 and a 4 up there on the top. Alright, I'm gonna look for the words that we're gonna spell out today. I love this part of reading because it's fun. We get to actually put in words on paper what we learned. Alright, you guys ready for that first word? Alright, say bug. Bug. Sound bug. B-ug. Write the first sound. Say bug. Bug. Sound bug. B-ug. What was the middle sound? Second sound. Right? So write it down. Say bug. Bug. Sound bug. B-ug. What's the last sound? G. Write it down. Alright. Number 2. Say big. Big. Sound big. B-ig. What was the first sound? B. Write it down. Say big. Big. Sound big. B-ig. What was the middle sound? I. Write it down. And say big again. Big. Sound big. B-ig. Write the last sound. Gotta hurry up before the time runs out. Okay, here is our sentence. Pigs dig here. Say the sentence. Pigs dig here. What was the first word? Pigs. Write it down. Pigs dig here. What was the middle word? Dig. Pigs dig here. Write the last word. Good job, boys and girls. Thanks for joining me for lesson 34.